So this chapter is about how to read the biopsy results. So usually the doctor will only tell you in person. In my case, he told me by phone, but he will never send you the results in writing for you to read by yourself. But after he tells you this, and you get the shock, or if he says you have no cancer, which is good news, then he sends you the results. Now, the results is by the reader. It's not by your doctor. It's by a reader, and the reader actually uses microscope to look at the cells that were taken from your prostate, the samples, and the only thing he can tell, that reader, is how the cells look there, whether it's a mass or not, whether it's a big mass or a small mass. Mess, not mass. Now, so they divided by the Gleason score, and I'm going to explain what Gleason score is, which is very important. So if it's more messy, then the Gleason score is higher, and it's not a good sign. If Gleason score is lower, that means it's less messy and it's more benign, like not cancer. The range of prostate of Gleason, it goes like this. One, it's called the pattern, and that's between 1 and 5. And cancer is only 3 or 4 or 5. So 0 or 1 or 2 is not cancer. They will not give it any Gleason score, any pattern score, and they will say benign. But if it is cancer by the microscope, then they'll tell you that the pattern is either 3 or 4 or 5. Only 3 options: 3 or 4 or 5. And 5 is the highest and not good news. 3 is the cancer, but not a bad cancer. Now, it took me a while to learn whether this Gleason pattern score shows how aggressive it is or how fast it grows. No, it doesn't show how fast it grows. It only shows how messy the structure of the cells is. So it's like it will tell you which type of car that is, but it cannot tell you the speed of the car.